Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've been here, but I'm back from school, back for summer, back for more riding, guys. We got the 2014 CRF 250. We're taking it out riding today. We're here at the Moley compound. We got Tanner here, Mason, and I think our friend Preston is gonna be coming out and riding. He's also on a Honda 250. Shout out my dad. Look how clean this bike looks. I don't think it's ever looked this clean. I'll get some more close-up shots, but I'm excited to ride today. It's been over a year since I've rode. Just because I've been at school, so I'm super excited. It's a good day, not too hot. Hopefully it's not too dusty, but yeah, this is gonna be a fun day. Stay tuned.
What's up, CTP? It's your boy, ItsTanner, back with another video. Today I will be riding the Suzuki 250 2014, just like Caden's bike, but mine's better because it's yellow.
All right, guys, we also got Preston's bike, CRF 250. Let's go. This thing is clean. It's loud. This is gonna be a fun day.
Because it's plastic? Yeah.
All right, guys, so it's a good day on the track. A little bit dusty, not too bad at all. Trying to get all the different camera shots, but oh man, the hand pump is coming in clutch here. We're just gonna keep riding, keep practicing, because obviously I haven't rode for a year, so it shows in the lack of skill, but that's okay. All right, let's set up the next spot. All right, guys, so been riding for about an hour, getting a lot of practice in. As you can see, I got a lot of work to do. But yeah, it's been super fun. And now we're gonna go head to an open field, get some more practice in. We got the whole gang here, so it should be fun.